So this is Jenny's farm. Ah, Mondo Novo.
What I mean, the shading trees.
The shade trees, it depends also.
Because here is they are also holding.
So this is the route I'm taking. I'm not looking down to my right. I'm just walking straight ahead. Please. Save. Wow, the view is nice. There.
Coffee do you collect in? You see here the problem of lack of pruning. The pruning needs to sort one issue.
What's how tall?
Agronomists call this phenomenon distal growth. Distal growth means that the plant needs to generate new tissue to produce buds, reproductive buds that are going to convert into flowers or new leaves. Where there is no new tissue, there is no new leaves and no new fruit.
So that has to be pruned?
Only in new tissue can you have new leaves and new flower. So the plant must have new tissue as much as possible. So what do you see here in this tree? Unproductive tissue. So the first harvest was up to here, second harvest up to here, third harvest just this one.
Oh.
So this is a waste of time and effort. You should prune this, and there are different ways of pruning. We are going to talk later on about that. But you don't allow this to happen, and you can see here that is almost everywhere. So depending on the amount of shade, depending on the climatic conditions, you should allow 2 or maximum 3 harvests per branch. In Sagada, as far as I can see, you only allow 2 harvests. So after this harvest, this farmer should have pruned. because
Up to where?
the plant is spending energy to keeping alive all this branch, and it's going to produce. This harvest is not very good, is it? Only 2 cherries per branch. So you don't allow this.
Where do you take
Where
it
do you
up
cut?
Up to?
15 centimeters from the main stem is one, the Colombian way.
15
Or
cm.
you can cut the whole branch. That would be the Central American way.
This one, the thick
or-
one? The thick one? You
Yeah,
cut
or
it?
you can cut everything. That would be the Brazilian way. You leave just the main branches. Now, there is one very good thing here, which is the oldest pruning system. Is called the Candlelight system. So if you come a little bit closer, you can see that the main stem was converted into 2 stems. The left-hand side stem was converted into 2 main stem again. And what happens if you convert the tertiary stem in 2 again? So you will have 2 by 4, 8 producing stems per tree. That was developed by Yemenis 15 centuries ago. It's called the Candlelight pruning system, and it's the most productive. They do it in terraces but without shading trees. So now the problem is you have 60% shade, which is too much.
It is?
It is too much, because the orientation of this farm is allowing the sunlight only to come the first half of the day. As you can see now, there is almost no sunlight. So this farm should have at the most 40% shade. Only.
40%.
So you need to prune the shade to have production. So these trees are beautiful, but they are not producing cherry. So that if the tree is comfortable, they are not going to produce anything. They need to be stressed.
Stressed.
Water stress, light stress to produce cherry. Production of cherry is a reaction, a survival reaction. These trees are very happy.
Very happy.
But so happy that they don't care about cherry.
Ah.
So the farmer is not happy.
And we get stress them out.
Yeah, exactly.
Why can't you be more like your sibling?
Exactly. So this needs design. You need to design the farm according to where the trees, the orientation, the habitat.
Very healthy though, huh?
Yeah. Lots
Look
of
how
trees.
many cherries that they have. That's another issue, the typhoon.
Yeah.
So you need to prune the shade when there is no light.
Yeah, that's why. The shade protects from the typhoon.
Yeah, everything has been thought through for many years.
So during the dry season,
If there is no typhoon risk, then you can do it to encourage a good blossoming.